Hello, good morning, everyone. So let's have our daily briefing for today. And just a quick market recap on yesterday's data. Okay, so last night we only have the durable goods orders for US for the month of August. So the previous data was 0.5% and the market forecast 0.7%. And the release time last night, 8:30 p.m. And for the actual data, it was 1.8%. So it beats the market forecast and the previous data, but however, this data did not create any significant move right after the release. And also, for today's economic data, during the Asian session, we have the retail sales for Australia, monthly basis for the month of August. So the previous data is negative 2.7%, and the market forecast at negative 2.5%. And the release time earlier, 8:30 a.m. And the actual data, it's negative 1.7%. So it beats the market forecast and the previous one as well. But same goes with the US data last night. This one did not create any significant move right after the release. And for the European session, we have to focus on the consumer confidence in Germany later at 2 p.m. And also, we have the speech by Christine Lagarde later at 8 p.m. Followed by the US session, we have the consumer confidence for the month of September. And also the US Fed Chairman Powell testifies later at 10 p.m. So for today, I will not give any key product since based on the economic calendar, there's actually no significant move or significant news that can drive some currencies, but we have to focus on some speech later on. But I will share something interesting for today, which is the Bitcoin. Okay. And just in case you didn't know, last Friday, September 24, the value of Bitcoin drops for almost $5,000 in one day. That is very huge, comparing on some market reaction for the past couple of months. And what happened on the Bitcoin right here is that the China's central bank last Friday, they've announced that all transactions of cryptocurrencies are illegal. Okay, effectively banning the digital tokens such as Bitcoin. Okay, and just in case you didn't know, China is one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin in the whole world. So first is USA, of course, and then second one is Romania, and the third one is China. So if they made this kind of news, it will definitely make an impact on the Bitcoin right here. So that is why the value of the Bitcoin last Friday, it drops for almost $5,000 in one day. So from $45,000 or 45 territory went down below the 40 level or 40K mark level. But as of this moment, during the Asian session, the price of Bitcoin against the dollar is around the 42K. So it made an increase or slight increase from 40 all the way to 42. And also we have to pay attention on the Evergrande problem that could harm the other financial products like FX, stocks, and even crypto on itself. So that is why we have to pay attention on this kind of news, especially if we don't see any factors that can drive some financial products like economic data. Same goes with this one. And again, for the European session, we have consumer confidence later at 2 p.m. and also the speech by President Lagarde, 8 p.m. And for the US session, we have consumer confidence for the month of September, and Jerome Powell testifies later at 10 p.m. All right, so that's all for our daily briefing today. Thank you everyone for joining. Stay safe and have a great day.